Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for quilting that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the EverSewn Sparrow 30 sewing machine. First, being computer-controlled is a must in this technological era. With its LCD display screen, adjustable upper thread tension, and its automatic stop-lock, as well as its memory function for stitch combinations, it is completely automated and virtualized to make quilting easy. The EverSewn Sparrow 30 is not only a functional machine, it's a perfect tool to use, whether you're a beginner or a more advanced, creative quilter. Since it is equipped with everything you need, you'll be able to use the 310 stitch patterns available. Of the 310 there, you'll be able to pick from 32 utility choices, 84 decorative choices, and even a full alphabet in both script and block style. All you need to do is set the width at 7 mm to get moving for decorative stitches. The memory function also comes in handy when working because the combinations you use can be saved. You can also enjoy the automatic thread cuter and the adjustable presser foot pressure. The EverSewn Sparrow 30 also comes with a sewing speed control, start, stop function and needle stop up, down, which truly sets it apart in the sewing machine market. The EverSewn Sparrow also includes 7 standard presser feet, soles, and an extension table. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brother XR9550 sewing and quilting machine. In our experience of testing sewing machines, we have realized that the simple ones tend to have the best stitches. This is certainly true of the Brother XR9550, which we found to have the most beautiful buttonhole and zigzag stitches we have seen. The Brother XR9550 is of the many affordable sewing machines designed mainly for beginners and for basic use at home. It is a computerized sewing machine, but the different features such as stitch selection and needle threader have all been simplified to suit new users. Everything we did was very intuitive, even winding and installing the bobbin and changing stitch length and width. At number 3, we have the Janome District of Columbia 2013 Computerized Sewing Machine. The Janome DC 2013 is the perfect sewing machine for beginners. Whether you are doing something simple like scrapbooking or if you are beginning your hand with quilting, this is a great machine. It has 50 stitches available to use for built-in quilting. You can also enjoy the use of 3 one-step buttonholes. This allows you to have the variety and options you need to create the perfect project. As a beginner, you'll want the convenience of all the various features of the Janome DC 2013, like the auto lock button, easy reverse, and a speed control slider. You'll also want stability and dependability as you're just getting started. This means that the sewing machine allows you to quilt with confidence and precision, with its automatic thread tension control, built-in needle threader, snap-on presser feet, memorized needle up, down, and its superior feed system, SFS. You'll also want the stocking stitch button, the easy reverse button, the auto declutch bobbin winder, and even the extra high presser foot lift. At number 2, we have the Singer 9960 sewing and quilting machine. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is also another great sewing machine for a beginning designer who wants to quilt. Not only is it easy to use, it also is capable and equipped with using and putting a personal touch on your project. You can choose from 5 different fonts and up to 600 built-in stitches, which is one of the most stitches out there. From mixed stitches to lettering, you can create unique stitch sequences for your quilts. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 also presents the option of being able to be mirror imaged or elongated for creative options. The machine also comes equipped with the needle up, down feature, so you can pivot with ease while sewing, which you might be doing if you are top stitching, free motion quilting, applique or more. With the speed control, you can set the sewing speed on low, since that is the suggested speed for quilting, so you have maximum control. The top drop-in bobbin on the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 makes threading not only easy to see but also easy to use while you're sewing and working on your project. After completing your project, a simple push of the thread trimmer button will cut both the top and bottom thread, making projects like these simple and easy. And finally at number 1, we have the Janome 2212 sewing machine. If you want the perfect machine to keep tucked away in your home, the Janome 2212 is a great, affordable choice. With the entry-level model, you can get the use of up to 12 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole, which is the perfect package for any sewing beginner, especially if you are quilting. You can also use the dial pattern selection found in the Janome 2212, and fiddle with the adjustable stitch width and length, which makes it extremely easy to use for beginners. Something that is unique to quilting, the free arm and drop feed can make the machine as versatile as possible, which helps with all types of sewing, like quilting. Not only is it highly functional, it is also lightweight, at only 13 pounds. The Janome 2212 also has a variety of different features making it unique and top-notch, like its snap-on presser feet, its 5-piece feed dog, its push-pull bobbin winder, and its extra high presser foot lift. You can also pick the program you want using just the simple stitch selection dial. Even though it is small and handy, you still can use the vertical oscillating hook bobbin or the 2 retractable, vertical spool pins. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.